This that you see on your screen, it is Pitta. And this that you see on your screen are Cherry Angiomas. Cherry Angiomas are very common, or we can say red spots on the skin are very common. So what is the difference? What are these and what Ayurveda says about it? How to cure or how to subside their growth? This is all what we are going to discuss in today's video. Hi, my name is Dr. Vivek. Welcome to my YouTube channel. First, let's talk about Pitta. These are pinpointed, flat, red, purple or brown in color. These dots are caused because of the breakdown of the tiny blood vessels underneath our skin. But don't confuse it with rashes. Now, how to differentiate between a rash and between a Pitta? When you will press, if it turns pale, it means it's a rash. But if it doesn't turn pale, then it means it's a Pitta. These are caused because of severe straining, or it can be because of any underlying medical condition, for example, low blood platelets. Now let's talk about Cherry Angiomas. These are harmless, benign, cherry red bumps or cluster of capillaries. They typically appear with the aging. Now if we talk about the difference between Cherry Angiomas and Pitta, then the most simple way to understand them is the red dot that is flat on the skin surface. Most likely it is going to be Pitta, but the red bump that is slightly raised above the skin, that is most likely to be Cherry Angioma. Pitta can be because of pancreatic dysfunction, while Cherry Angioma can be because of liver issues or too much sun exposure, or when a female enters menopause at that point of time. Now let's talk about what Ayurveda has to say. Ayurveda says that the treatment can be by balancing the Rakta and the Pitta in the body, means by purification of the blood and by balancing the heat component of the body, the Pitta of the body, the fire of the body. Especially Pitta, it happens when because of too much heat or the Pitta in the body causes blood to leak from the blood vessels to the skin. So the treatment should be by supporting the body's natural ability to heal. The herbs that Ayurveda recommends are the herbs which can help to strengthen the blood vessels, can help to modulate immune system of the body, and keeps our liver and our pancreas healthy. So in this, the best herb is Manjistha. Manjistha, botanical name Rubia cordifolia. It is one of the best herb to purify the blood. It is good for skin. There is no Ayurvedic doctor who is not going to use Manjistha for skin treatment. Manjistha can be taken in the powder form. It can be taken in the tablet form. I generally prefer powder forms, and I prefer using half to 1 teaspoon 2 times in a day after the meal. Another good herb that Ayurveda recommends is Giloy, also known as Guduchi, also known as Amruta. One of the best herb that supports blood platelets, that can help to increase blood platelets count in the body, reduces inflammation, supports bone marrow, and that's why it can help to increase the blood platelets count in the body. And yes, it is one of the best herb for immunity also. The third herb that can be used is Triphala, one of the best herb for pancreas, for liver. It detoxifies our body, is rich in vitamin C. So using 1 teaspoon at night after your meal can be a help. But if you suffer from constipation or your digestion is not good, then you can take 1 teaspoon 2 times in a day after your meal, and this can help. These herbs are easily available all over the world. The one that I use in my practice, I'll put the link down below in the description box. You can have a look. So I hope you got a better understanding of what are these red spots happening in your body, and I hope today's video will be helpful for you. See you in next video with a big smile. Until smile more, stay happy, stay healthy.